Hello friends, welcome to our channel Data Analytics. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. Today I am going to show you how looking backwards with choose function. So I just wanted to show you another method of doing exactly the same thing. This one is also comparatively new to me, but try them both and which one works best for you, stick to that one. They both do exactly the same thing. But this method use VLOOKUP and we use another Excel built-in function, and that is choose function. So I just give you a quick look what the choose function is. So I'm just typing something here. YRST first, second and third. I introduce choose function. First argument of choose function is index number, so I type 1. You can type 2 also, whatever you like to give an index, you can. So I type index number 1 and value. I here this is value 1, value 2 and value 3. So value 1 is this and comma, value 2 is this, comma, value 3 is this, comma. So you see that index number 1 is for G8, index number 2 is for G9 and index number 3 is for G10. So what the value is returned, the value is returned is first. And again, if you want to return the value third, we can change the index number to 3. So you can see that the value is changing. So this is the basic understanding of choose function. Now we incorporate choose function into VLOOKUP so that we look backwards. Here we introduce VLOOKUP. What's value you want to look up? We want to look up brown, who have brown hair. So here we incorporate choose function here. So index number is, just give curly brackets here, 1 comma 2, close the curly brackets, and what's the value 1? Value 1 is always incorporated with the lookup value. The lookup value is in column C, and the value 2 is what you want to return. We want name, which one have brown hair. So just close the things, and column index number. So which column we want to return? We want to second column. We want to return second column. We can see that the name is in second column. So type 2 and just as it is false. What I was so just hit and close. Something here, I can see that what's going wrong. 1 2 3 7. Oh sorry, this this is not the, you can see that the brown hair, all have brown hair, and if you change who have gray hair, you just paste it here, so that you can see that gray John have gray hair. So this is the basic thing of how we incorporate choose function into VLOOKUP so that we can look backwards. So you play around with both of them, find out which one works best for you. We can also introduce column 3 here. So what's we are looking, we simply put add into here. One for C3 to C7, 2, index 2 is for B3 to B7, and index 3 is A3 to A7. So just hit enter. If you want, if you want name, then type 3, column 3. We know that 3 is 3, column number 3 have name column, so just hit enter. You see that gray hair, John have gray hair. So this is how we're looking backwards with choose function. So for now